In this video, we will be learning about zfill method. It returns a copy of the string with 0 characters padded to the left. So let's make a text variable, and inside that let's store program is fun. Okay, so this is our string. So let's call the zfill method. So we'll be printing text dot zfill, and let's put 15 as the argument. So you can see here 10 is padded. Now let's put print text dot zfill, and let's put 20 this time. So when we run it, you can see there are 6 zeros. So let's print text dot zfill, and the width will be 10. So here there is no zeros. So if a string starts with prefix plus or minus or 0 digits are filled with after the first sign prefix character. So let's see how this works in a program. So let me make a variable number, okay, and let me put minus 690 as the number. Okay, so let me print number dot zfill, and let's put the width as 8. So you can see here 4 zeros have been added. So similarly, let's print for positive 690. Okay, so let me just change the sign and put a plus sign. So you can see here. So similarly, let's take another string, and let me store here minus minus random plus text. Okay, and let me put this also as text, and I am filling it with 20. So let's run it. So you can see here the number. Sorry, it is not number, it should be text. Okay, unchanged. So let's run it. So you can see here 7 zeros are added before minus random. So now let's see map method. So the map method is similar to string format, except that string format creates a new dictionary, whereas this mapping doesn't. So let's create let me put a comment first, map. Okay, now let me put a point named variable. Inside that I will be storing a dictionary. Let's put the key as x and value as 9, and here we will be putting y as key, and then minus 6 as the value. Okay, so let's print. We'll be using format here x and y, and then dot format, and let's put the star point. Okay, so let's run it. So you can see here. So the format map mapping is similar to string format mapping method. So the only difference is that this string format star mapping copies the dictionary, whereas the string format star mapping makes a new dictionary during method call. This can be useful if you are working with dict class subclass. Okay, so let's see the return value and how this format map works. So let me copy this. Okay, and I am just pasting it here. Okay, and then let me put another key z. Okay, so I'll be adding one more key z, and let's put the value as, let's say, 0. Okay, so here I'll be adding z also, z. So let's run it. So you can see here 0 is also been added. So let's see how it works in dict subclass. Okay, dict subclass. So now I'll be making a class name, let's say coordinate, and dict will be the argument. And let me define a method missing, and then let me put self and key as the argument. Okay, and let's return the key. Now I'll be printing print. Here I'll be putting x y. Okay, let me put a space in between, and then format underscore map, and then we'll call the coordinate. Let's put x is equals to 9. Okay, and let's close it. It's closed. So let's run it. So here there is a spelling mistake. That was, so you can see here 9 and y. Okay, so let's put a bracket over here, parenthesis, and let me put here. Let's copy this, and I'll be changing the value of x to, let's say, 5. Okay, so let's run it. So you can see 5 comma y. Similarly, let's put a y variable also here. Let's say y is equals 6. Okay, the value is 6 here. So let's run. So 9 comma 6 is the value. So format map mapping is more flexible than format star mapping, as you can have missing keys